Hello and welcome back to another one of my videos. I have been very lazy. I promised that I would make another video in just a week, but I did not because I ended up having great and amazing sex with my girlfriend during Christmas break, and then I got busy. I mean busy in I had school to do later on. So what am I gonna talk about now? Well, have you ever heard of something called SQL or SQL, or otherwise known as Transact SQL, right? Very important to remember that name. And if you're a programmer, like me, some people might be doing it for fun, some people might be doing it for money, and that is the absolute wrong way to do it. Best way is to combine the two, fun and money. But if you're programming with something like C#, or let's say you're mixing in a little ASP.NET, C#, maybe Java instead, I don't know, whichever you might be using, odds are you might come in contact with databases of different kinds. Now SQL is known as the only real database now, but there are different versions of SQL. And the one I've been using is called Microsoft SQL Server 2012 or rather 2014. I got updated. But here's a little tip for all of you who are working on it, you're programming, and it's just a little bit of a naughty thing that you might not really want to. I mean, it's fun and it's great for concentration if you're learning the language. And I will show. I'm Swedish, I'm sorry, I'm Turkish. I will show you my little trick in just a minute. Okay, so here is my big secret to learning in the most efficient way possible. Now you're probably wondering, why am I shooting the window? The answer is because there's nothing more fun than drawing on the walls, so to speak. But you know, now when I'm showing you a fun example, I can actually give you some helpful advice. So now I'm guessing you probably all have heard of select all from, and then let's say that was very stupid of me, a test database. Whoop-de-doo. Now what is so fun about this is that it gives you a new way of learning, and these are like 2-3 quid at shop. But now, since I am actually giving you an example, I guess we can do something. We can create a stored procedure out of this. And stored procedures are actually a lot more useful than you might think. Now I'm gonna try to link you to one of Kid Venkat's videos on stored procedures, because he has really helped me out a lot. We're just gonna call this stored procedure select something. And if you never tried a stored procedure before, then I really recommend doing it, because you can. This is just, by the way, the easiest way you can make a stored procedure. Basically, just create a stored procedure. You give it a name. You define it as something. So then you say begin select from. And then you can just execute it by, well, let's say execute. No, it's just, yeah. And then sp underscore select. Now you can obviously make more advanced examples of this, as you can probably see here, where I have created certain procedures for output and input parameters. But that is just what I wanted to show you this week. So I will shoot another video eventually. I promise nothing. It's getting very late. So I hope you have a great day, and may the force be with you.